Hey everyone, Mike here at Falmouth Toyota. This week's featured pre-owned vehicle is this 2016 Toyota Avalon Limited. It's loaded with great features, has just over 17,000 miles on it, and is priced at only $24,995.
This Avalon comes in Blizzard Pearl with a light gray leather interior. Its V6 engine has only 17,022 miles on it, and it was just serviced by our factory-trained technicians. Starting at the front, there are automatic projector beam headlights and daytime running lights for improved visibility. The Limited model has chrome accents around the grille, and the 18-inch Super Chrome alloy wheels are in good shape, with 4-wheel disc brakes for superior stopping power. The power-heated outside mirrors feature turn signal indicators and blind spot alerts, and the color-keyed chrome-accented touch-sensitive door handles lock and unlock at just a touch. Down the back, you will notice LED taillights, chrome accents with Limited badges, and dual chrome exhaust. The interior of this Avalon is luxurious, comfortable, and smoke-free. Doors feature soft leatherette armrests with automatic windows, metallic accents, power memory driver seat, and JBL speakers. Door sill protectors are also included on this Avalon. The driver's seat is 10-way power adjustable, with both front seats being heated and ventilated for your comfort. To the left of the leather-wrapped steering wheel are pre-collision, blind spot monitor, and power rear blind controls. The leather-wrapped steering wheel features controls for your media, multi-informational display, as well as lane departure and dynamic radar cruise controls. There are even automatic headlights, paddle shifters for hands-on drive, and push-button start. The instrument cluster is large and easy to read with a colored multi-informational display. The center console features a 7-inch high-res touchscreen with navigation, backup camera with dynamic grid lines, XM radio, and apps like traffic and weather. Below that are your dual-zone automatic climate controls. Tucked underneath the dash is the convenient Qi wireless charging for compatible smartphones. This Avalon also comes with Eco and Sport driving modes to fit your needs. Up top, along with a power moonroof, are your map lights, moonroof controls, and Toyota Safety Connect for emergency help. The auto-dimming rear-view mirror also includes a compass and HomeLink buttons for garages and gates. There are also premium wood and chrome accents found throughout the cabin. The rear seats provide a lot of legroom and comfort for rear passengers with heated seats and climate controls, center armrests with cup holder, and seatback pockets. The trunk is large with over 16 cubic feet of storage, and under the rear cargo mat is an easy-to-access temporary spare and tool set if needed.
There's still a lot more to see in this 2016 Toyota Avalon Limited. If you have any questions or would like to take a test drive, please stop by our dealership on Route 28, 1 mile south of the Bourne Bridge, or visit us online at falmouthtoyota.com.